Owl. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. That said, owls can do it because their neck is made up of 14 vertebrae, which allows them to do it without injuring the blood vessels and nerves in their neck. Owls are the top predators in the ecosystems in which they live. They eat a wide variety of prey, such as mice, rabbits, fish, and even small birds. Some types of owls, such as the eagle owl, can prey on animals much larger than themselves. Owls are often seen as a symbol of wisdom and knowledge in various cultures around the world. They appear in the mythology of many cultures, such as those of the ancient Greeks, Native Americans, and Nordic tribes. Bat. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Their wings consist of a thin layer of skin that extends from their fingers to the body. Bats can fly very quickly and can easily change direction while flying. Some bat species can live up to 30 years or more. The average lifespan of a bat is about 10 years, but some large and rare bat species, such as the vampire bat, can live to be 30 years or more. Bats are very effective insectivores. Some bat species can eat up to half their body weight in insects each night. In this case, bats play an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem and helping to control insect populations. Seagull. Seagulls can fly at speeds of up to 56 kilometers per hour and can fly for hours without rest. They can also fly up to an altitude of 15,000 feet. Seagulls are omnivores. They eat everything from fish, shrimp, and shellfish to human foods such as French fries and bread. Because of their varied diet, seagulls can survive in many different environments and can be found all over the world. Seagulls have the ability to adapt to various environments. They can live in coastal, and even urban environments. In addition, seagulls are also known as intelligent birds and have the ability to learn. Duck. Ducks have the ability to swim and dive in water. They have very dense, thick fur to protect themselves from cold water, and they also have wide, scaly feet to help them swim. Ducks are known to be versatile eaters. They eat a wide variety of foods, such as seeds, grass, insects, and even small fish. Duck is also a popular source of animal protein. Ducks have the ability to fly long distances. Some species of ducks can even fly up to 8,000 kilometers during their annual migration. In addition, ducks are also famous for their unique voices and are often considered funny by many people. Hen. Hens can lay eggs all year round. Hens can lay eggs all year round, depending on their breed and factors such as environmental conditions, nutrition, and health. However, hens' egg production is usually higher during spring and summer. Hens can hatch male or female chicks. The sex of the chicks hatched from the eggs laid by the hen is determined by the chromosomes in the egg. If the egg contains an X chromosome from a hen, the chick that hatches will be a female, and if it contains a Y chromosome, the chick that hatches will be a male. Hens have a unique reproductive system. Hens have a unique reproductive system, which consists of an ovary and an oviduct. The hen's ovary contains an egg that will be fertilized by the cock's sperm, while the oviduct functions as a canal where the egg is fertilized and produced, before then exiting through the cloaca to be expelled. Rooster. The rooster has an important role in chicken reproduction. The rooster is responsible for fertilizing the hen's egg cells, which produce eggs that can hatch into chicks. Roosters may also display complex mating behaviors, such as showing wings, chasing the hen, and performing head swings. Roosters have a different appearance from hens. Roosters have a different appearance from hens, especially in the size and color of their plumage. Roosters are usually larger and heavier than hens and have flashier plumage with more flashy colors, such as red, green, or blue. Roosters can also be used for meat. Apart from being a determinant of fertilization of hen eggs, roosters can also be used for meat. Even though rooster meat has a stronger and tougher taste than hen meat, it can still be used in various dishes and processed foods. Crow. Crows are one of the most intelligent birds. Crows are known as very intelligent birds and have high learning and problem-solving abilities. They are able to use tools, solve puzzles, and even recognize human faces. Crows have a habit of storing things away. Crows often store things in certain places, such as in holes or rock crevices, for later use. These items can be food, tools, or objects that catch their attention. Crows can live long. Crows are known as long-lived birds, with an average age of 13 years. However, some individual crows have been reported to live to be 20 years or more. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers have the ability to strike wood with their beaks. Woodpeckers have beaks specially designed for striking wood repeatedly. They use their beaks to find food, such as insects or larvae hiding in wood, or to make holes in trees for laying eggs. Woodpeckers have a long tongue. Woodpeckers have a long, sticky tongue which they use to reach insects or larvae in hollow logs. The woodpecker's tongue can also function as a nectar-sucking tool, as in certain types of woodpeckers that feed on flower nectar. Woodpeckers are noted for their distinctive calls. Woodpeckers are noted for their distinctive sounds, which are usually the repetitive sound of tapping or striking wood. This sound is often used to mark territory or to attract other woodpeckers. Several types of woodpeckers can also make a variety of sounds, such as squeals or calls. Vulture. Vultures can consume rotting and contaminated flesh. One of the things that makes vultures so unique is their ability to consume highly spoiled and contaminated flesh in their digestive process. Vultures can kill bacteria and viruses present on the carcass, thereby preventing the spread of disease. Vultures have very keen eyesight and can see distant objects very clearly. They can also view carcasses from high in the air and then descend to eat them quickly before other animals reach them. Several vulture species experience significant population declines. Unfortunately, some vulture species are experiencing significant population declines in some areas of the world. This is caused by a variety of factors, including habitat loss and the use of lethal poisons such as insecticides and rodenticides, as well as illegal hunting. Therefore, protection and conservation of vultures is critical to ensure their survival in the wild. Parrot. Parrots are famous for their ability to imitate human and other animal sounds. Some types of parrots can even imitate the sound of some words in human language very well. Parrots are very intelligent social animals. They are very attached to their owners and need ample attention to stay happy and healthy. Parrots also have the ability to learn various tricks and skills, so they are often kept as pets. Some types of parrots can live for decades in the wild and even longer if cared for properly in the right environment. There are several types of parrots that can live up to 80 years, some even reach the age of 100 years. Therefore, caring for a parrot is a long-term responsibility that requires great care and attention. Eagle. Eagles are known to have very sharp eyesight that far exceeds the ability of human vision. They can spot their prey from great heights and then lunge swiftly to capture it. The eagle is a formidable predator and skilled in hunting. They can catch a wide variety of prey, including mammals, fish, and reptiles. Some types of hawks can even catch and kill animals larger than their own size. Eagles have extraordinary flying abilities and can fly very fast and agile. Some types of eagles can fly at speeds of up to 240 kilometers per hour. They can also fly very high, with flying heights reaching thousands of meters above sea level. Ostrich. The ostrich is one of the largest bird species in the world and can reach to 0.5 meters or more than 8 feet in height. They can also weigh up to 150 kilograms. Despite being called a bird, the ostrich cannot actually fly, however. They can run very fast and can reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Ostriches have very large and strong claws, so they can defeat any predator trying to attack them with one blow. In addition, ostriches have long and flexible necks that allow them to easily reach food on the ground. Peacock. The peacock is a bird known for its beautiful and colorful tail feathers. The male peacock's tail feathers are up to 1.5 meters long and consist of around 100 feathers. Peacocks are very social animals and are often found in groups called bouquets. This group can consist of several birds to dozens of peacocks. Swan. Swans are birds that belong to the Anatidae family. Along with ducks and geese, they are known for their long, tapering necks and flattened bills. Swans are known as migratory birds, meaning they travel long distances in search of food or to breed. Some types of geese, such as the snow goose, travel up to thousands of kilometers each year. Swans are also known as very social animals and tend to live in large groups called gaggles. They often communicate with a distinctive honk and can even form a V formation while flying to conserve energy. Swans are also renowned for their intelligence and ability to solve complex problems. Toucan. Toucans are birds known for their large beaks and striking colors. Toucan's beak consists of a thin layer of keratin covering a relatively light bony structure, and is a useful tool for searching for food and for defending territory. Toucans are mainly found in South America and Central America, where they live in rainforests and areas dense with trees. Some types of toucans can even be found at high altitudes in the Andes Mountains. Some types of toucans live in groups of several birds, while other types prefer to live alone or in pairs. Toucans are also known to be very vocal and often make strong and repeated honking sounds, especially during the breeding season. In addition, toucans are also often symbols of beauty and natural wonders in local art and culture in South and Central America. Pigeon. Pigeons are birds from the Columbidae family. which consists of more than 300 species. They are distributed worldwide, except in the polar regions and very dry deserts. Pigeons are often thought of as intelligent birds, especially when it comes to navigation. They can return to their nest from great distances, even after being transported to a location far from their nest. Scientists think that pigeons use the Earth's magnetism and the sun's orientation as navigational aids. Apart from being pets and being research material, pigeons are also often used as symbols in art and culture. They are often depicted in paintings, sculptures, and other art, and are also used as symbols of peace and hope. Sparrow. Sparrow is one of the most common bird species worldwide. They are distributed throughout Asia, Europe, Africa, and North America. Sparrow is characterized by grayish-brown fur on the upper body and black spots on the chin. Male birds have larger black spots and brighter plumage than female birds. Sparrows usually live in groups and build their nests in crevices or small openings, such as under roof tiles, between billboards, or in building cavities. They also have a habit of gathering fiber fragments to use as building materials for their nests. Sparrows are omnivorous birds, meaning they eat a wide variety of foods, including seeds, insects, and fruit.